Welcome to our beginner English class.
Today, we're going to the amusement park.
We're gonna take the kids to see some fun games and enjoy the best food.
But things don't always go according to plan. Let's see until the end. Let's go! Let's have fun! Oh no! Why has the train stopped? Help me! Mom! Dad! Look at Anna! She's stuck!
What? Why is she there alone?
Oh no, Anna!
It's really busy this weekend.
Yay!
Yes, and there are lots of games here too.
Mom and Dad, look how many tickets I have! We can play to our heart's content today! Wonderful! Today is going to be so much fun!
Thank you. Horse and Mondler.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful and enjoyable trip.
There are so many games. Let's go on the Ferris wheel first, shall we? Look how high we're going! It feels like we're flying.
Tom, Anna, look here.
Say hi!
Look, they're so colorful, so much fun! Ah! Ah!
Slow down, kids. Be careful not to fall.
Oh, Tom, look! That's a super fast roller coaster! The sausages here are so delicious and fragrant too. I have to eat another one.
Okay, kids, big smiles for Daddy. You look great. One more picture.
Look, this is the prize-winning game area. So many prizes, it's so much fun.
Oh, wow, that bear is so cute. I want it. I'll get it for you. This game doesn't seem easy either.
Let me try. I played this many times when I was a child.
Congratulations. Here's your reward. Here, Anna. This is your teddy bear. Have fun playing with it, darling.
Yes, thank you, Dad.
Okay, it's time for us to rest and eat, children.
Yes, Mom. We'll go wash our hands first. Tom, you have to wash your hands thoroughly before eating. Of course. Otherwise, we'll both get stomach aches.
After eating, what do you kids want to go play next?
Yes, a roller coaster. But it's really fast.
Okay, let's go together. Now, you children continue eating.
I hope it's not too scary. My heart is racing.
Calm down, darling. Maybe we shouldn't play anymore.
They all look so happy. Maybe it's not so scary after all. Don't worry, Anna. I'm here. Let's try playing together. Okay, Tom.
Okay, we need to buckle up now. Are you ready?
We're ready! We're going up so high! Look! Everyone looks like a little person. Oh, that's amazing! This train is super fast! Come on, go faster! Oh, I feel so nauseous, like I'm seasick.
Oh, look. The two children seem so happy.
Yes, Anna doesn't seem scared anymore. Woohoo! This is awesome!
Here we go! I'm not gonna ride the roller coaster anymore. It makes me uncomfortable. Whose phone is this?
Dad, I think someone dropped their phone.
Oh, they must be looking for it too.
I think we should take it to the lost and found place. They can help us. Uncle, we found this phone on the chair, but we don't know who it belongs to. Can you help us find its owner?
Of course, little girl. I'll make an announcement over the loudspeaker so they can come and pick it up.
Thank you.
You two did so well. We're so proud of you. Tom, what reward do you want from Mommy and Daddy?
I want a supersized ice cream. I want to ride the roller coaster again. It's so much fun.
Anna, it's late. Let's finish our ice cream and then go home.
Okay. It was so much fun watching them ride the roller coaster. I really want to ride the roller coaster again. I have a way. Mom and Dad, I need to go to the bathroom.
We'll wait for you outside the ice cream shop.
Okay. Let's go on the roller coaster one more time. We'll definitely get home on time.
Are you sure you want to travel by train alone, little girl?
Yes, I'm sure I'm big enough. That's amazing! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Anna will surely love cotton candy. But why is she taking so long?
I have a bad feeling. I think we should go look for her. Anna! Anna, where are you?
Anna! Anna, have you seen her?
What's wrong? Why did it stop? Oh no, someone help me! Anna, where are you? Anna, what's wrong? Dad! Mom, please save me! Mom and Dad, it looks like she's up there! It looks like the roller coaster is broken!
Oh no, Anna, she's terrified.
Calm down, I'll go find someone to help. Uncle, what's wrong? My daughter is trapped on the roller coaster. Please help her.
Currently, there's a problem with the electrical system. Please stay calm. I'll call the rescue team to help the little girl.
Uncle, please help me!
Take a deep breath, Anna. Look straight at me. Don't look down at the ground.
Okay, I'm breathing. I'm ready. Anna, take it easy. You'll be safe.
Calm down, Anna. You're safe.
Thank you so much, sir.
Mom and Dad are here, daughter.
Anna, little sister.
Mom, Dad, Tom! I'm here! Mom, I'm sorry for lying and not listening to you and Dad.
It's all over now. It's good that you understand.
I love you all so much.
We love you too.
Today I learned a big lesson. Don't lie to your parents because they do everything for your safety. Always follow safety rules and stay calm. Remember, never to play dangerous games alone. Although there was a bit of trouble, it's all over now. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel. Goodbye and see you again!